Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to unsubscribe from unwanted emails in Gmail. So let's see how we can quickly do this thing. So this is my Gmail account. I logged in on my account, and if you move your mouse or cursor on any of the email, if you need to unsubscribe, then Gmail will pop up an option. Like for this example, this email, if I move my cursor, see here I'm moving the cursor, and here you will see unsubscribe button is there. So if we need to, this is basically a garbage email or the email which I don't need, or sometimes there may be like some offer it's always coming which is not expected or I don't need at all, and I don't expect those type of email. At the time we need to unsubscribe from those email chain, right? So by default, whenever move your cursor over there, basically your mouse pointer over there, Gmail is popping this type of button, unsubscribe. So to quickly unsubscribe, you don't need to access this email. You can move your mouse over there, and when the button is visible, just click on top of it. Once you click it, then it will give you this message like unsubscribe. Do you want to stop getting messages from this mailing list? Gmail will unsubscribe you by sending an email from your email account to this thing. Then there will be two buttons. One is cancel and other is unsubscribe. So if we don't need the email, basically we can press this unsubscribe button to unsubscribe from this service. So I am going to click it, and then very shortly it will be unsubscribe, and from now I will not get any of the email from this type of company. So in this way we can easily unsubscribe from unwanted emails in Gmail. So in this way we can unsubscribe particular email, but not all emails has this button. If that email has subscription type of thing, basically you will be able to see unsubscribe link or button. So for example, for this case unsubscribe is there. That means we can click it and then we can unsubscribe from this email chain. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily unsubscribe from unwanted emails in Gmail. Thank you guys for watching the video.